Okay, in this video, we're looking at how you can use procurement agents to source for your product. Okay, now we said that there are different websites from which you can go about your sourcing. And we said the top ones that we have are AliExpress, Alibaba, Made in China, 1688. Now, if you're making use of agents, of course, they are going to require certain things from you. They want to know the product that you want to buy. They want to know the quantity that you want. They want to know the size if the product has reference to size it. All right. They want to know the color you want to buy. So you want to have all of these things ready. Okay. So what you just do is head over to any of the sites. So it could be AliExpress, could be Alibaba, could be Made in China, and it could be 1688. Okay, now 1688 uh, is written in Chinese, and we have a dedicated video for that. Okay, so there will be a separate video explaining how to make use of 1688 because it is written in Chinese, and I know 99% of those persons watching this video right now don't know or understand Chinese. So we're going to look at how you can translate the language into English and understand better. So once you head over to the website which you want to source the product, so let's say you want to source for a wristwatch. Okay, so you just type wristwatch. You already know that you've done your research and you know the product that you want. Okay, you find out the product that is selling, so you want to look for it on AliExpress or Alibaba or Made in China. So let's come over here and just type wristwatch. So let's say you've done your research and you see that what is actually selling is this product right here. Okay, that's what your research have told you that this wristwatch is selling. Okay, now for you to sell wristwatch, make sure you do the research and see what people are actually buying. All right, so this is a smartwatch, by the way. Now, once you see that this is the product you want to buy, you click on it and you're going to be taken to the product page where you have description of the product. Now, something, if you look here, you're going to see that this product has different colors. So this one is gray, this one is black, and I think they have the golden color here. So you can see, if I hover on, you can see gold, and right here, silver, black, white. So it has different colors. So your agent will require you to tell him or her the colors that you need, the quantity you need. So you basically copy this. So above your browser, you're going to see a link to the product. On the address bar, you can see this part of my page that I'm highlighting right here. That is the page, or that's the URL your agent will be needing from you. Okay, below this page, just scroll down this page. You're going to see the different agents you can use for your sourcing. All right, just contact any of them. Some of them on WhatsApp, some of them on Skype. Just send them a message and they will respond to you. So you copy the link of your product. Let's say you open up a notepad. All right, so you highlight that copy, paste the code there. So this is the full code you are going to send to your agent, and the product you cannot say color because this product involves color. Let's say you need black and gold, right? And quantity need 10 black and 5 gold. All right, so once you have all of these in place, you send your agent email. Of course, you can do your pleasantries, but don't dwell on it so much. And hello, how you doing? Hope you're having a great day. I need you to procure a product for me. Can you please help with the procurement? So you send the person the link, the color, if those attributes are required, the quantity of what you need, and they will get back to you with the price. Okay, they are going to tell you the price. Of course, there is going to be a markup price because they are helping you in this case. You are not going on ahead to do the sourcing yourself. They're going to do that for you and see that they get the products and deliver to you. So once they come back, once they check and get back to you, they're going to tell you the price and cost or cost of your product. All right, and then they are going to ask you which company do you want to use for your shipping. Okay, so in the shipping module, you're going to find different shipping companies you can make use of. All right, you just basically just send them the address, the China address of your shipping company. All right, so once you have all these details and they get back to you with the cost of the products, you send them money to do that. Some of them have Nigeria accounts that you can send through. Some of them you have to send through either PayPal or Payoneer. All right, and there are ways you can go ahead funding that. Okay, um, majority of them now has alliances with some persons in Nigeria, so they have Nigeria accounts, which makes it easy for you to make payments. So you just basically just pay into their accounts, and then once they make the procurement, they're going to send to the shipping company that you want. So you give them the China address of the shipping company that you want. If you go to the shipping module, okay, this is the shipping module right here. If you go to the shipping module, you are going to find different shipping companies can make use of. This is Chris Whitmore, this is NBC, and you can see their China address here. This is Limit Express, you can see their China address here. You can also even send this shipping company messages to get if they have another channel. These are the ones I know, right? And I have used from them. You basically just send. Most of these agents know them already. So if you tell them that you want Limit Express to ship your product or you want NBC to ship your product, they know where to send it to. All right, so you just communicate that with them and they are going to send it to your shipping company. And your shipping company is going to let you know once they receive it, because your agent will give you a tracking number. All right, so with that tracking number, your shipping company will let you know once they receive your product and tell you how much it's going to cost for it to be shipped down to Nigeria. So that's how you make use of agents to procure your product. It cuts across all the websites. So if you are using Alibaba, is same thing. You just come over here and search for the product you want, copy the link, make sure you tell your agent the colors, if there are colors, the size, the quantity that you need. All right. So that's just how you make use of each of these websites. So I told you that this is 1688. You can see it is written. Okay, my browser has translated most parts of it. Now it's in English. But for some persons, once you come over here, it's going to, you can see some things are still written. Okay, it's translated automatically. Now there will be a video dedicated to 1688 and showing you exactly how to make use of 1688 to translate and go about using 1688. But it's basically the same thing. Once you have the product, you've seen the product you want, you just copy the link. If you want colors, if you want if it has sizes, you just tell your procurement agent what you need and they are going to take care of it. They are going to just send them the money to buy it, and then they're going to let you know once they've received it from the supplier, and then ask you which of the companies you want to use for shipping, and they will send it to your shipping company in China, which of course they will not send it to you here in Nigeria. All right, so that's how you do it using procurement agents. In the next video, we are going to talk about how you can do it yourself. All right, so you don't need agents to do it. You just head over to this site and do it yourself. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.